Stewart Bank Gazebo is the launch of the HIT Stewart Bank Student ID Card, the innovative project that we back with them. This promotes financial inclusion and also eases the burden of doing business on our students because they can now conduct electronic business at HIT, paying for their SATA, those that will be penalized by the librarian, they will pay their fines. And the other advantage is that if your parent is in Bedbridge, they just use an EcoCash account and then they put the money in your ID in your account and then you access the money. You can also use that to pay for your tuition fees, accommodation fees, you name it. And also that even when you go out of the country, you can also use that. So we are extremely excited. The Stewart Bank team, as you can see, they are smiling for the photos. This is a milestone achievement for us and also for the banking public. I wish if the RVZ governor was here so that it totally eliminates the cost of ZipSwitch on our students and then we transact them for free. Stewart Bank, HIT, I thank you very much. And you can also come to witness some of the students breaking the ground by testing the ID that they have been given in the gazebo. I want to thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Partnering with Stewart Bank, the launch of this innovative student ID card, where on the face of it is the HIT student identity card, but in the back it's a Stewart Bank transacting card. We midway at a point where Stewart Bank believes in now one of our values of innovation. It's an innovation in the sense that we are promoting financial inclusion, where our students, we are catching them throughout their tenure of study at HIT. So we also believe that this will go a long way because you see Zimbabwe has been on a campaign of financial inclusion, and as a HIT we are contributing in the way that students are embracing technologies in banking, and also on our part it is a card that carries where they can transact in accessing services like food in our canteen, library, finance, and you know how networked Stewart Bank. I won't talk about Stewart Bank, they will talk about themselves, but that's basically why we are launching this student ID card. It's also embracing the issue of ICTs in all the way we transact the day-to-day lives.
So are your students paying for these ID?
No, they are not paying.
Because then when one wants to open a bank account with Stewart Bank, they have to pay $5 if I'm not mistaken. So is this like, in this deal, the students don't have to pay, they're just getting their accounts?
No, it's because there's no force. What we say is the student is up to him or to her to activate the point, the bank account. What we are only giving as HIT is the card, and then if she feels that she can activate it's up to you. But the advantage of this card is the transactions themselves are free for the student.
So what does the school benefit from this collaboration?
One, we are promoting our students to enter into the financial system, the banking, the financial inclusion system, and also that we are working with an innovative company that promotes innovation even among our students, which is one of our key values. And also that instead of the student going to town, a parent can just deposit money into his account through an eco-cash or whatever, and then it reduces the cost of doing business even to the student for us.
We believe that I think as a bank we've got two strong value propositions. One is to the college and to the rest of the other universities, that we have taken over the cost of producing this card. Mind you, before this innovation, the university would have to fund the procurement and production of those cards. So what we have done is to take that cost, and then we meet the cost. One, as a way of contributing to the community. But number two, like Mr. Mtema has indicated, for us to catch them young, to introduce them to the world of banking. The debit card connects the student to an entire suite for financial services. So it's not just transacting. Even when the student wants to save, they want to receive money, they want to send money, they are able to do so by means of having this the card. The card is what is the feature which is accompanying a student account, which is a specific innovation for the students. There are no monthly service fees. I earlier on had made reference to $5. Yes, $5 to the conventional customer to our iSave account is an initial deposit. Then we recover $2 to cover our production costs for the card. But for the students, we have waived that requirement. Even beyond being a student, we have also said they will continue to enjoy 6 months after graduation. They will continue to enjoy the benefits of having the student card, so that at least they settle in well and they are able to take off their life.
Okay, so the card only works for 6 months after graduation.
After graduation,
then they will have to reopen another.
No, the card will work, but the benefit is what would then change.
So they can actually use the card for life.
They can use the card for life, but we also then encourage, because on the face of it there's a corporate name here, the university's name. So, and mind you, the university would issue the student the card as they register. So it would be an inconvenience, although functionally it may continue to work, but it may be an inconvenience to the person to continue to have a student card when they can as well, they've graduated from from college here.
Okay, so excited.
And how are you going to use the card?
For a lot of things. I'm thinking it's now best that my parents would deposit money for me in my Stuart account, since it's easier to access.
I feel so excited. It is good. Its package is very full. It's with my student ID, my bank account, so I don't need to move around with a whole lot of IDs. Yeah, it's working. I'm going to use it at the dash today. I only wish I had deposited some money.
And then we connect, and we want to think that you could